This is a dinosaur.
And what does the dinosaur sound like? Together. Big smile. You're like gonna eat. Okay. I'm done.
Hiding.
Okay. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
My name is Aii.
What does your friend call you?
Bye.
What's your name?
My name is Savannah.
Savannah. What does your friend call you?
Savannah.
Savannah. Okay, this one, boy. How old are you?
I'm 5 years old. 5
Oh,
years old.
So, you know your ABC, right?
A B C D E F G A I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
Oh, what is that in your cloth? You see?
Smile.
Yeah. What is that?
Smile.
A smile. Do you like to smile? Yes. Can you show me your big smile?
So cute.
Okay. You're so cute. I think your teachers love you so much because both of you are very, very cute. Do you like your teachers?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes.
Yes. Who's your favorite teacher?
Teacher Marga and Teacher Hannah.
And how about you?
Teacher Hannah and Teacher Marga.
Okay. Do you have the same teachers? Okay. What are the things that you like to do in the class?
Play with my friend. Play with my friend.
But what about learning the lesson? What are the lessons that you learn?
Sing song.
What song do you want to sing today?
Demon Hunter.
Okay, let's try that. I'm done
Hiding.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Do you know soda pop?
Yes.
Do you know soda pop? Oh,
Yes.
let's sing that one too. 1, 2, 3, go.
Miley Sunny Pop. Go. Soda pop pop. Soda pop pop. My little soda pop. My little soda pop. Soda pop pop. Soda pop pop. My little soda pop. My little soda pop.
Yay! Oh, you did very well. What about you? 1, 2, 3, go.
I don't hang it, I shine it like a wannabe. Cause we are hardest, boy is strongest, baby.
Yay!
Wake up, it's the morning. You can honey, I don't it. Oh, don't hang it, I shine it like a wannabe.
Okay, very good. What do you want to become one day?
Hello, my name is Savannah and I want to be a doctor because I want to help 6 people. Hello, my name is Sudalana. I want to be a doctor because I want to help 6 people. Dinosaur. This is a dinosaur.
And what does the dinosaur sound like?
What?